Hi and welcome to Automonkey. My name is Jonas and today we're going to change this little rubber part on my new key for the new car. I haven't told you about the new car yet. Well, basically it's because I sold the Polo and bought myself a spanking Hyundai i30 wagon from, I think it's 2013. It's the 110 horsepower diesel. And why would you change your Polo for a Hyundai i30? Well, basically it's because I'm going to be a driving instructor, so I needed a manual car, and the Hyundai is the one with a diesel engine that, well, I think it can take up a pretty hard beating, and my driving students will probably beat the shit out of the car. So that's why I bought the Hyundai. But the Hyundai, I don't know, is it Hyundai or Hyundai? I don't know. But I bought that piece of shit car. Actually, it drives pretty decent, a lot of space, it's alright. But the thing is, with these keys, as you can see, the rubber kind of wears out. I'm no mechanic, I'm not that good with my hands, sorry ladies. So if I can fix this, you can definitely do it as well. I haven't tested it on the new key because on the spare key, because I had a little fantasy of changing the case. That was too big of a job for me. So I only bought one package of rubber. Not that kind of rubber, but the rubber keys, the rubber buttons. So, well, the reason I want to change it is because when I get a student in the car and I say, hey, here's the key, it's just wrong giving them this. So, yeah, let's change it. And remember, if I can do this, you can definitely do this. So, let's try. Okay, so what you need is a screwdriver, and well, basically, as the internet says, and always believe on the internet, is that you have to carve out the old rubber part and just gently lift it up. Let's see. Yes. This is annoying. I'm not that patient, so this is definitely not something I would do for a living. I think it's about there. And that's it. I actually think I have it now. Yeah. I got it. Yep. And now let's try with... This looks much better. Press it, press it, press it. And the rubber is in. Well, it was my first go, and I did manage to kind of be a bit too hard with the edges, so yeah, well done, Jonas. As you can see, I was a bit too harsh with the screwdriver, so right around here and there I kind of scratched it a bit and lifted out the plastic. So that's unfortunate. Be more careful than I was, but anyways, here it is.